Let's look at every Oscar Best Actor winner from 1998 to 2024. Before we start, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. 1998. Roberto Benigni, a joyful performance that broke hearts and made history. 1999. Kevin Spacey, a dark and powerful role that defined late 90s cinema. 2000. Russell Crowe, intense and commanding, pure star power. 2001. Denzel Washington, bold, fierce, and unforgettable. 2002. Adrien Brody, emotional and raw, showing pure talent. 2003. Sean Penn, deep, tragic, and unforgettable. 2004. Jamie Foxx, a complete transformation that stunned everyone. 2005. Philip Seymour Hoffman, quiet genius with absolute control. 2006. Forrest Whitaker, terrifying, dominant, and brilliant. 2007. Daniel Day-Lewis, one of the greatest performances ever captured on film. 2008. Sean Penn again, emotional and full of purpose. 2009. Jeff Bridges, soulful and heartfelt. 2010. Colin Firth, powerful yet full of vulnerability. 2011. Jean Dujardin, charming and expressive without saying a word. 2012. Daniel Day-Lewis, flawless, powerful, and precise. 2013. Matthew McConaughey, a complete career transformation. 2014. Eddie Redmayne, delicate, emotional, and deeply moving. 2015. Leonardo DiCaprio, raw determination, finally rewarded. 2016. Casey Affleck, quiet pain told through silence. 2017. Gary Oldman, commanding and masterful. 2018. Rami Malek, energy, charisma, and total dedication. 2019. Joaquin Phoenix, haunting and unforgettable. 2020. Anthony Hopkins, emotional perfection from a legend. 2021. Will Smith, strong, inspiring, and passionate. 2022. Brendan Fraser, a comeback that touched everyone's heart. 2023. Cillian Murphy, controlled, intense, and brilliant. 2024. Adrien Brody, a powerful return to greatness, from Benigni to Brody. 26 years of unforgettable talent. Which actor do you think gave the best performance? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more movie timelines.